Hi, welcome to my channel. Okay, so here today we are doing a Sharm nail design. I have 3 here, as you can see. So this is the colours that I'm using. You can use whichever you like. So the first one is like a pink glitter, and this one is a turquoise shimmer. I really do like this colour, it's lovely. So I'm just placing them on my tile, using that as a palette. And this one is a lovely kind of deep burgundy. Really sorry I don't have the number for this. My bottle doesn't seem to have the code or the name of it, of the colour. But it's a sparkly burgundy, but in some lights it looks kind of pink. Anyway, on the nail pop here, I've got one coat already cured. This is all gel polish, by the way, of pure white, and then I put a second coat, not too thick, not too thin, and I put that second coat on. I leave it uncured, do not cure that layer. Then I'm using my dotting tool, as you can see, and just placing little dots in the shape of a flower. And the varnish that you're placing on kind of forces a space in the wet paint, and and it starts to spread, and it causes a really nice effect. And the larger the blob, the bigger the pattern will become. So as you can see, now I'm just using the burgundy colour, deciding where I'd like the flowers to be, and the flowers that you make first will become larger than ones that you make after that, obviously. So they'll be in different stages of spreading by the time you cure them, but that's all part of the effect, and it looks great. So you cure that layer, and I like to do that before I add the middle. You're perfectly welcome to try doing it without, but I found it looks better this way for me, my personal liking. So yeah, this is just the finishing touches. It's a really nice, feminine, cute design. I really like it. So cure that again, 1 minute in LED, 2 minutes in UV, and then top coat. I use Blue Sky top. It's a base and a top coat. I have to admit, I usually use this only for my nail pops. If I'm using a top coat for my own nails, or on a human hand, I tend to use a no wipe top coat of whichever brand you like. But for this purpose, it's one I have to wipe. So you just make sure that's all covered and coated. Cure that for another minute in my LED light, 2 minutes if you have a UV light. Wipe away the sticky layer with some nail prep and you're basically done. Hope you like this tutorial. If you'd like to see more, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'd really enjoy making some more for you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.